Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Lodgify site using DropInBlog. Once you've logged in, you'll be met with your dashboard. On the upper left corner of this page, navigate to the hamburger icon and click on it. When the menu is shown, click on Website Builder. Once directed to your site editor, by default, you'll be on the Styles tab. You want to be on the Pages tab, so click on Pages over here. And here is where you'll be able to add a new page for your new blog. To do that, next to the header navigation here, click on the plus icon. A new page pop-up will appear. We've got these 4 tabs in the pop-up. Make sure you're on the Page tab. And here, under Page Name, you can name your page. Name your page how you like. For us, since this will be a blog page, we'll be using blog to keep it simple. Once done, simply click on the Add button. Now, your new blog page will appear last here in your main navigation menu on the left. If you want to change the position of your blog page link in the navigation menu, simply click and drag your page to the desired position like so. We'll place it just after Overview. Now, your new blog page will appear in the preview. Click on this Add Section button. And in the drop-down menu, scroll down and find Custom HTML, then click on it. And here is where you'll need to add the code that you'll have to get from your DropInBlog account's code and layout page, which we have here open in another tab. In your DropInBlog account's code and layout page, under Blog Code, under Step 1, click on Copy Code here to copy your first line of code. Then go back to your Lodgify site editor and paste your code here. Then do the same for the second line of code. Go back to your DropInBlog's code and layout page. This time, click on Copy Code under Step 2 here. Then simply go back to your Lodgify site editor and paste the code right next to the first one you added earlier. Once done, scroll down a bit and hit Save. Now you'll see a preview of your blog. To save your changes, in the upper right of this page, click on Publish Website. A pop-up will appear, then click on Publish inside the pop-up. Wait for it to confirm that your site has been published. So let's close this pop-up, and this one as well, and let's check out our site. To do that, on the upper right, click on View Website, then in the drop-down, select Live Version. Your Lodgify site will open up in a new tab. Let's click on this hamburger bar, and there is your blog link in the navigation menu. Let's click on it, and there is your blog. Now, one final thing to do to make sure everything goes right and your future blog posts load on your Lodgify site as intended is to copy your blog URL and paste it into your DropInBlog settings page. So this page specifically, click inside the address bar and copy your URL. Go to your DropInBlog settings page, and under blog URL, paste your URL. Then click on Save All Changes. We'll go ahead and check our site again. We'll just paste the URL we copied into the address bar and hit Enter. This time checking if everything is working accordingly with the blog post. So let's pick a post and click on it. And here is one of our posts. Everything looks to be working great. And that's how you add a blog to your Lodgify site using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!